Hello, beautiful people. Hello, my friends. I haven't been here for ages, haven't I? You might ask me, Marta, what have you been doing? So, basically, I'm on different channel now. It's called The Fire Ghost, and I left the link down below. I just released a beautiful new single. It's called The Emerald Bird. The Emerald Bird. Sorry. So yeah, that's my professional channel now, and this one is where you can have a chat with me, and I'm gonna sing you acoustic version of this song. So I hope you're all gonna enjoy it. Woo! Okay, let's go. So The Emerald Bird by The Fire Ghost, and if you want to see the video, the piano version, which is lush, click the link down below. Here we go. Look, can you see? She's staring at you high above. She's spreading her emerald wings. She wants to fly. She's reaching the sky. Listen to her song, let the sorrow fade away. And at night the moon is choking your face. She's dancing in the sky full of grace. She won't fly away. Don't you cry, you are free. She's dancing for you in the wind. In shadows and fear, you dive into darkness and fall in eternal sea of despair. Like a kiss of sun, she will give you her love so light, and with butterflies you will fly high to the sky. Your heart that was so lonely and cold will turn its misery into gold. Don't you cry, don't be scared, she won't fly away. Don't you cry, you are free. She's dancing for you in the wind. Sometimes things just won't be fair. You can't have everything that you want, but remember your eternal flame will keep you strong, will keep you strong. So yeah, that was the Emerald Bird. But remember, your internal flame will keep you strong. Guys, keep your internal flame.